In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subscribe form to your Wix website. Whether you're looking to expand your mailing list or keep your site visitors updated with the latest news, incorporating a subscribe form is a smart and straightforward way to do it. First, let's open your site in the Wix editor. The Wix editor is your go-to hub for all things related to your website's design and functionality. Once you've accessed the editor, head over to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll discover the Add Elements menu, brimming with options to enhance and personalize your site. Today, we're focusing on adding subscription capabilities. So go ahead and select Contact and Forms from the list. This section hosts a variety of form types available for your site. As you scroll through, you'll come across the Subscribe section. Within this range, you'll find subscription forms designed to align with all sorts of aesthetic and functional needs. Choose the one that aligns best with your site's design and simply drag it over to your webpage. With your subscription form placed, click on it to bring up its menu. From there, press the Settings option, which will open up a world of customization. This is where the real fine-tuning begins. You can change design elements to match your brand or adjust input fields to gather precisely the information you need. This feature-rich area is designed to make your form both functional and visually appealing. Now, if you're interested in adding a subscribe opt-in to a form you've already created with Wix, here's how you can go about it. Click on the Wix form you're looking to update, and you'll notice an Edit Form option. Go ahead and select that. With the editing menu now open, locate and click the Subscribe field to highlight it. Once it's highlighted, proceed to Settings. The Settings menu for the opt-in field offers several options for customization. You can adjust the default text or enable the double opt-in feature, which sends an email to confirm the subscription. This can help ensure a higher quality subscriber list. Customize these settings to best serve your communication goals with your audience. And importantly, don't forget to click Save once you're content with your adjustments. This ensures all your settings and customizations are preserved and are live on your site. And there you have it. A quick and effective way to incorporate a subscribe form into your Wix website. This simple addition can boost your subscriber numbers and help you stay connected with your audience. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing.